Hello, my name is Lynette Fryer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a holistic therapist and energy field healer, and I also work with schools, community organisations and corporate businesses, supporting individuals and large groups of people to find ways to relax and stay calm. Most of the people that I work with feel quite stressed and anxious. So this YouTube channel is a way of me offering you guys some different tools, techniques and support, and sharing some of the ideas that really do help people in certain stressful situations. So on this channel you'll find things like mindfulness, guided meditations, EFT, breathing techniques, all of my top tips to stay well and happy. So I invite you to give all the videos a try. Please like, share and subscribe, and anything you want to find out about the services that I offer, then please do visit www.lynettefryer.co.uk, and I will look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Thank you.